Hello everyone, my name is Annie. I'm a first semester nursing student here at Mission College. This video is made for Miss Amanda Bootcamp class. In this video, I will focus on a brief introduction on how to do oral medication. Oral medication comes in a form of tablets, capsule, or liquid. The reason why you need to know this to calculate this because sometimes the doctor will order the medications in grams, but the medication is only available in milligrams, or they could order the medications in milligrams and it comes only in liquid form, so then you have to convert it into ml. So you need to be comfortable of how to go back and forth between different units. Once you get into the nursing program, you are required to do 4 types of calculations: oral, injection, insulin, and reconstitutions in powder, which means like if they give you powder, you need to know how much liquid to mix in order to get the medication correct. Today, I will just focus on showing you how to do the oral medication. Okay, the first thing you need to know when we do oral medication, the key is converting from gram. So this is the key. From 1 gram, it's equal to 1,000 mcg. Okay. And you also need to know that 1 mcg, sorry, you need to know, I wrote that wrong here. Let's try this again. 1 gram is equals to 1,000 mg, and 1 mg is equals to 1,000 mcg. Okay, so this is the key that you need to know when you're converting. Okay, so here's how it works. First of all, we need to look at the doctor's order. So in this order here, the doctor's order for folic acid of 0.4 mg. However, it comes only in mg, so we need to know how much is the conversion. The first thing you need to do is you need to write down the doctor's order, and this format will go for every single medication. So 4.04 mg, you're going to multiply by 1,000 mcg and 1 mg. So as you know that the conversion 1 mcg is equal to 1,000 mcg. So what you need to do is that you want this to cancel out, so you will always put it at the bottom. Okay, so now we need to do our conversion. So what you do is you just cross multiply and divide. So let's see here. 0.4 multiplied by 1,000, you would get 400 mcg. Okay, so now you know that 400 mcg is equals to 0.4 mg. Therefore, you only need 1 tablet. That's your answer. Okay, on the second problem, you would do the same thing. On here, the doctor's order, it's in mg, however, it only comes in grams. So you need to convert it, okay? So our conversion, again, 1 gram, it's equals to 1,000 milligrams right here, okay? So the first thing we need to do is we need to convert this, okay? So let's convert this. You would write the doctor's order first. So it's for 2,000 mg. Okay. You want mg at the bottom as well on this one because you want to cross multiply. So then 1000 will be at the bottom and the gram will be on the top. Okay, so then that would give you 2000. Now you just need to cross multiply. 2000 grams divided by 1000. That will give you 2 grams. Okay, but this is only 1 gram. So 2 grams, you will require you to do 2 tablets. Okay. For the next one, the doctor's order here is in grams. The box here only available. This one is a little different. When you see in ml, they also want it in liquids form. So this is going to be two-step conversion. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is that you need to know your conversion. So you're going to go from grams to milligrams. And then you're going to find out the order. Okay, so let's do the first step first. So the first step, I'm going to solve for gram. So I know the doctor's order is 0.75 grams. And I know that 1 gram equals to 1000 mg. And I want gram at the bottom so I can get it cross out the units. Okay, so now that I have mg on top, I'm going to multiply 0.75 mg, 0.75 mg times 1000. That would give me 75 mg. Now I have in the form, correct form now, the same unit, so it's mg and then the box is mg. Okay, that's the first step. Okay, now the second step, I can figure out what the doctor's order is because I know this is equals to that now. Okay, so now the MD order is 750 mg. Okay, the box is 250 mg per ml. So I want mg at the bottom so I can cancel it out. So 250 mg per 5 ml. That's the label right here. Okay, so I would do the same thing. So I would multiply across and then I would divide. So 750 times 5, that would give me 3,750 mg rate cost out. Okay. 350 ml divided by 250. Okay, that will give me 15 ml. Okay, so you can leave it at 15 ml, but in this case, the answer is asking for a household measurement. Okay, in a household measurement, then you need to convert, you need to know how many ml is in a teaspoon. So I know that 15 ml is equal to 3 teaspoons or 15 ml is equal to 1 tablespoon. So either answer will be correct. So you can have it like this or you can have it like this. Okay. Next one. Okay, this one, the doctor's order is in gram. let's see our box here. Our box is calling out for mg. Okay, so this is also then it's a two-step. Okay, so do a two-step. We need to know our conversion. So we need to know grams get into milligrams. Okay, and we know that 1 grams is equal to 1,000 mg. The doctor's first step is converting gram into milligram. So then we need to know the doctor's order is 0.375 grams multiplied by, we want gram at the bottom so we can cancel it out. So that means milligrams, 1,000 needs to be on top, mg. Okay, now grams can cancel out. I need to multiply 0.375 to 1,000. So let's calculate that really quick here. So 0.375 times 1,000. That would give me 375 mg. Okay, 375 mg. Okay, so I know my order now. I know that 375 mg right there. Okay. Now, at the second time that I need to figure out how much to give to the patient. Okay, so my order is 375 mg. I'm gonna multiply it, calculate the doctor's order. So I'm gonna use the box now. So I want mg and mg to cancel out. So it's 125 mg, that's according to the box here. Okay, equals 5 ml. So 375 times 5, that would give me, so 375 times 5, that will give me 1875 ml, because my mg is already canceled out here. Okay, and then I'm going to divide it by 125. Okay. Again, that will leave me 15 ml. At this point, it's not asking me for the household measurement like this one, so I can leave it at 15 ml. But if it asks me for a household measurement, then I would have to convert it into either a teaspoon or tablespoon, just like the problem above. Okay. Okay, let's do one more here. Okay, this one is asking for the doctor's orders in grams, however, it only comes in mg, so we need to convert it. Okay, so the first step again, we need to go from gram to mg. Okay, so here we go. This is the first step. You write down 0.03 grams. Okay, multiply. We're converting right now. We're not solving how much we need to do, okay? So we need to, this is just converting. Okay, so we want gram to be able to cancel out, so you need to put gram at the bottom. And we know that 1 gram is equal to 1,000 mg, okay? So gram and gram, you can cancel it now, okay? So now you just need to multiply 0.03 times 1,000, which gives you 30. Okay, 30 gram. Okay, so now we have the same unit now. If you can see, this is 15 mg, and we have 30 mg. So now this is our doctor's order. Okay, so let's convert. Second step here is how much do we give the patient? So now the MD new order is 30 mg. Okay. Our label is calling out every 15 mg, it's equals to 5 ml, because this is a liquid form now. What you need to do will be the same thing. So you need to multiply the 30 times 15. 30 times 15, that would give you 450. My grams cancel out. ml, okay? And then you need to divide 15 at the bottom. Okay. So 450 divided by, so 30 times 5 is 150. Sorry, I miscalculate this one. Let's try this again. Okay, 30 times 5 is 150. 50 ml. Divide by 15. 10 ml is what you give to the patient, is what your order is. Okay. Okay, this one here, if you look at the order, the doctor's order is 250 mcg. The box gives you two options. If you look carefully, it gives you, you can either keep it in the mcg or you can convert it to mg. Okay, I'm gonna make my life easy and just keep the mg because the unit matches. So it's gonna be 250 mcg, the doctor's order. The box is 125 mcg. The unit match up, so therefore there's no conversion needed. You just need to divide it, and you're gonna figure out how many, that would be 2 tablets that you would give. Because it's 250 divided by 125 is equals to 2, which means you give 2 tabs. Okay. Okay, same thing with this one here. The order is in mg, the box gives you mg. So you write the doctor's order first, 0.6 mg. And then you would divide it by 0.3 mg, which also gives you 2 tablets. Okay. Last problem here. Doctor's order is 12.5 mg. The box is also in mg. So you just need to divide. There's no conversion needed. Okay. Which gives you 2 tablets. Okay. So the only thing that you really need to look at, it's when it's in a different unit. So if this is grams and this is mg, you just need to convert it to get the same unit first before you can get the doctor's order. Okay, and it looks like that's it for today. Thank you so much. Hopefully this videos can help you guys.